Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Today video I will show you to prepare these reductions of red wine, carrot, onion, Parmesan cheese and passata to make this delicious lasagna you saw at the beginning. So we're gonna start with the golden onions we're gonna use. We're gonna roast them a little bit, saute them with some butter and oil on a pot slowly, but not burn it, which is the key point. On the other side, we had our ground meat. We saute it a little bit as well. Yeah, and now we are gonna add our tomato paste, and we're gonna fry a little bit together with the garlic. Yeah, and a little bit of oil will bring also to the pot, just to reduce it together with the oil and the fat from the meat we got. Yeah, like you see, we're gonna just reduce it. Like you saw, it has a nice brown color. We are gonna finish it with some Parmesan cheese and fry it until we get this consistency. It's a very nice, the color of the cheese and the tomato paste together with the meat. Yeah, that's our first goal we achieved. We got also our golden onions. Now we make them together with our meat. Yeah, the ground meat we prepare. And now we have this only one part. Yeah, this is our first step. And right now we're gonna proceed to add our other ingredients. We are coming now with the carrots, grated carrots. Yeah, we are using for this Bolognese sauce with wine and carrot, and of course golden onions we are using. We're mixing it together like you see in the video, like everything gets proper mixed, like it will anyway be mixed afterwards with the sauce, but we're doing it right now like that. We're gonna add our passata. This is tomato passata. Tomatoes are from my garden. It's a key point in this dish because it's very nice taste. And a glass of red wine we're gonna use. We'll reduce our sauce. The meat is cold. We're gonna make the sauce consistency. It will get reduced. It will get very tasty at this point. Yeah, this is just very simple. Now you let it cook, let it settle down, check your taste. You can add a little bit of salt, a little bit of more cheese for salt, or some herbs. I'm using here some Italian herbs I'm bringing to the dish right now. You can use another like basil or any other herbs you like. I add a little bit of salt, of course, or also some bay leaves I'm using right now, and a little bit of sugar to bring more sweetness to our sauce. When I mix it, settle down, we are ready to go, and we are ready to prepare our lasagna with this golden onions and red wine reduction we are making here. Look, very nice. We're just ready to go. Look, we finished our lasagna with some cheese on top. Go to the oven, some Parmesan cheese on top as well, and now to the hot oven, and it will just have an amazing result. Perfect for a Sunday, and it's just to share. It's very nice. I hope you like it. If you do like it, subscribe to the channel and enjoy the journey. Thank you.